What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on NVCN stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Neovasc Incorporated engaged in the development, manufacture and marketing of medical devices. It focuses on Neovast Tiara and Neovasc Reducer products. Its total market cap for now is $135.49 million. It is a not big company. And here is their website. And here is their management team. And as far as I noticed, all of these people has a strong background in medical companies or biotech related companies. And I think it's a very strong team. And here is some news about this company. It was published on February the 10th, and it says NVCN stock price increased over 30% pre-market. Why it happened? And here is two reasons. That Neovasc was recently granted a European patent, which is titled Sequentially Deployed Transcatheter Mitral Wave Prosthesis. And another major catalyst for the company was that it has received written notification from the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC, notifying the company that it has regained compliance with the minimum bid price requirement, and it is all about continual listing on the Nasdaq. And they have another issue with the Nasdaq rules. Currently, the company is still not in compliance with the minimum market value requirement set forth in Nasdaq rules for continued listing on the Nasdaq. But they have time to regain the compliance until June the 8th, 2021. I think this company will regain that compliance, and we will see huge growth of this company. And now information about their key products. They have two key products. It is a Tiara and a Neovasc Reducer. And each of them has a huge potential. And here is the market for their first product. It is drastically underserved. As you can see here, the potential, it is a multi-billion-dollar market. And for their second product, they have the same situation. The market size by 2023 will be more than $2 billion. It is very underserved market for now as well, and that's why this company, in my opinion, has a strong potential to grow. Here we have some data about insider trading of this company, and we have zero information, no insider transactions in the 1 year period. This means it is a good sign for the company that insiders doesn't sell their shares. Here is some concerning news. It is the institutional investors of this company. All the red rows indicates that these investors sell their shares, and as you can see here, they closed their position. Even Renaissance Technologies closed their position. I think it is a well, it's not so good sign, but I have to be 100% transparent with you, and I have to provide all the data about this company. And let me show you one interesting fact. Renaissance Technologies, they sold their stake on February the 10th, and let me see, was it a huge stake of the company or not so big? On November the 13th, they bought only 22,000 shares. And let me show you on the chart, and somewhere here they bought their shares on a price of $0.77 and they sell them on at this price, and they have around 150, maybe a little bit more profits. And that's why I think they just find a new possibility for them to invest maybe in this company, maybe in medical related company as well. And here is the data. By the way, all the links I will put in the description below. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis itself, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So here is the chart, and we are on daily time frame. And here is the huge surge in price of more than 90%. And let me show you the data in retro scale. So as you can see, they have low volume across all the period from 2017 to 2020, I think. And for now, we have a huge interest from different investors, institutional investors and retail investors at this company. And it is very good sign for the company. So let me show you a little bit closer. It's very tricky to make a breakdown according to Elliott wave, but let me use another tool, and it is a pitchfork. And to use this tool, we have to put the first point at the lowest pivot point, second one at the top of its recent price movement, and the third one at the most recent pivot point. And the main rule for this tool is that as long as this pivot holds, we have 80% probability to hit the median line. And this is the median line, as you can see. This gives us an opportunity to make some gains depending on the time frame. When we leave this trade, our target might be at different levels from this point and to somewhere maybe here if we hit the target in March. So let me show you one more thing. Is this point 100% legit for this asset? And let me switch again to the daily time frame, and I don't need log scale, and here is fib retracement. I took it from the bottom of the wave and put the second point at the top of this wave. So as you can see, we've hit to the tick 0.65 region. It is a golden pocket region, and it is the most probable zone of trend reversal. So it is very strong point, and we can see the strong bullish candle. We have long wick to the downside and then rejection to the upside, and even we close at this level. So it is very good candle, and on top of that we have this huge volume. As you can see, this volume is more than 2 times lower than this one, and this indicates a huge interest with the stock of this company. And that's why I think it is a good company to invest in. I think in a period of maybe 2 to 3 years, they will hit the target price of maybe $20. And let me show you some resistances. So here we can see we've hit exactly to the tick this resistance on a daily time frame, and now we are hovering right around this price movement. So from this point, I think it is a very strong point. We can hover along these lines maybe a couple of days, and then next strong resistance will be at this level. As you can see, we can even make them longer, and here is the resistance, and here it becomes a support, as you can see. And next one will be somewhere here. Here is the resistance, and here is the resistance, and from this point as well it is some kind of resistance. And these 3 points, it is the nearest levels of resistance. And let me show you how can you enter this trade. So basically at the opening hours you might start to accumulate from this point, because we've already have this pivot point. And if you want to catch the trade, not to invest in this company, your stop loss will be at this point. So this pivot point will invalidate the count, and this will indicate that we might go down. And your take profit will be a little bit later. I will define it a little bit later, because I don't have enough data to make some projections. But nevertheless, in my opinion, this company is great to invest in for now. And with that being said, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. See you next time. Bye.